We're in Castor, Alberta, Canada. It's time for Winterfest. It's time for the fireworks. They're about to start. As you see, we're over by the community hall. And the fireworks, of course, are going to go around the street. And we should be getting the fireworks starting here pretty quick. I think I must have left the headlights on for some reason or another. I don't know why. I thought I had turned them off. Oh, there they go. Okay, so tonight is the start of Winterfest. And Winterfest always starts in Castor with the fireworks. As you can see, there are people parked pretty much all over the place. The best, of course, viewing is at the community hall here. Some people do go over by the ball diamond, but it's hard to get out of there. But this is the start of Winterfest, and we're just trying to get the screen right up there. Looking for my chat screen on this. I'm using Prism for the first time, and so I don't know where my chat loop is, but I think that might be it there. Okay, supposedly I should have a chat view. I don't see any chat coming yet, but that's okay. So you say we're doing a double stream. We're on Facebook Live as well as YouTube, and we're trying it out just to see how well it works. Karen's going to be getting out of the car any minute now because she needs to record this as well from that. But she's a little cool tonight. It's been actually very, very warm. Of course, it's dark. It's only 7 o'clock just about. Oh, there it is. Looks like the pyrotechnic guy kind of lost his spot. this in a little closer. Well, there you have it. That was the fireworks for another year. And everybody will start getting out here. It's really slippery because it's really starting to freeze because, like I say, it melted something fierce today. And So anyway, that is the start of Winterfest for 2026. Well, tomorrow we'll be shooting again, either oh boy. Boy, it's slippery out there. Okay.
I shut it off.
Okay. Anyway, yeah, so Karen got, just in case the live streams didn't work out that well, and like I say, I couldn't see my chat up, so I wasn't too sure if it was working for us or not, but I'm sure somehow
It would be on the phone though, wouldn't it?
yeah, but oh, okay. Oh, it says thank you for sharing a wonderful video we were watching from Texas. Well, thank you very much, Dolores. That's fantastic. This is Karen, or the other side. She was working the still camera. And I'm glad that you had a good time. Like I say, we're coming from Castor, Alberta, and Winterfest. We're glad that you really enjoyed it. We're just going to wait it out here for just a wee bit while people exit. This is the only time we live in a town of 700 and some odd people, but this is the only time that we actually have a traffic jam in town. But we're actually, Castor is at the basically at the intersections of Highway 12 and 36 in Alberta. If you're Canada, if you're looking for it on a map. I mean, not a lot of people. I mean, the running joke was that when people say, "Oh, I know where Castor is," and this is, well, you're either from here or you know somebody, or came out for the rodeo or something like that. I didn't see the chat window up there for a while. I'm so glad that you were able to all join us. I guess I didn't have the chat window turned on, silly me. And but I'm so very, very happy that all of you were able to join us and enjoy this. I'm just going to pass this over to Karen. We'll just take a quick drive through town, just so everybody could see just how the town looks. Again, like I say, everybody is getting ready for the big traffic jam. It's always our favorite and funnest part, is how long it takes you to get home when there's only a handful of streets in town. Alrighty. We're going to go take a run down, and then we'll, as you can see, when I was talking about traffic jam. This is our once a year traffic jam. It's a lot of people from all the other towns and communities show up for the fireworks.
Since towns take turns doing fireworks.
That's right, yeah, because
some do it during Canada Day.
Painter has a County of Painter has a very small population, and so everybody takes turns doing fireworks. Canada Day is usually I think it's Alliance, isn't it? So actually that's Flagstaff's another small county though. But we're just going to go up as close as we can so we can take the cruise down Main Street. Like I say, Castor was 755
the
people.
Museum.
And we'll be doing this in daylight tomorrow because it's time for the big chili cook-off. And that's when I get to gain a couple of pounds. I can walk it off at the same time. Here we come. We're up towards Main Street now. But when we first got here about 24 years ago, it was a much bigger town. It was far bigger before that too. But with the advent of industrial agriculture, that changed a lot of things. And here we are, going down the main drag.
The stores are open past 5 o'clock.
Yeah, they're open till 9 tonight because, of course, there's some big draws going on and stuff like that. And again, like I say, welcome to the only time we ever really have a traffic jam.
And a lot of people are coming out shopping.
Yeah, a lot of people are coming out shopping and they're going to enter the contests and stuff like that. That's the Sportsman's Shop. It's actually quite quiet tonight. There's not a lot of things going on. Mind you, the fireworks were just on. So. Back in the days when they still could get a lot of ice off the ponds, they used to have huge ice sculptures everywhere. But with the warming temperatures and stuff like that, it doesn't happen anymore because they can't get the large blocks of ice. It doesn't freeze down as far as it used to, because it used to get about 3 or 4 feet of ice, and they cut out big blocks of it. We're going by the hockey arena, the Beaver Dome. And the United Church. Just run up here. Over the big snow piles. There's the other car. And there you go. We're out in front of Casa Bruce and Karen. And I'm glad that you all had a really, really good time. And we hope that you'll join us again and like and subscribe on YouTube. And please follow us. Feel free to follow us on Facebook. You have the greatest time. God bless. Take care. Have a good night. We'll be back on tomorrow for the big chili cook-off and the walk through town. Good night now.